Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how Amazing Beauty hair extensions took my hair from this and transformed it into this. So if you're interested, keep watching. So this time around I decided to try their Yaki straight clip-ins in 16 and 20 inches. That way I can kind of layer them out. And in this first pile here I have the 16 inches, and this is what a full box set looks like next to their full box set of 20 inches. So there's two boxes of clip-ins right here if you guys are wondering if there'll be enough. And as you guys can see, this hair is straighter than the last texture I got from them. This mimics more of a relaxed or straightened natural hair texture, so I really do like these. And of course we got some extra clips. It does come with a comb as well as instructions, and they gave me a QR code that will take you right to their website as well. So I'm sure you guys didn't come here to listen to me ramble the whole time, so let's go ahead and install these bad boys. And I did want to give you guys one more close-up of this hair because it's gorgeous. I have a 4-clip here and I just want to show you the thickness and length throughout. And I'm starting here with the bottom. My trick for these is to try to get them in that part. I want them to look as seamless as possible. It's one of my pet peeves when people just take their clip-in extensions and pop them anywhere, even on top of their hair. I try to get them right in that part. That way they lay flatter and they look more natural, and it's also less easy to detect. Of course, I like to install the 20-inch ones on the bottom, and then as I get closer to the top and the center of my head, I like to install the 16-inch clip-ins. That way my hair, which is about 14 inches, lays on top and it gives me this natural layer. So what I'm doing here is just planning out my part. And what I also like to do is on the exact opposite side of my part is go ahead and add another clip in. That way my hair looks layered when I brush it over and just pretty much pulls the whole look together and makes it look natural. Now you guys could go ahead and stop here, but of course I want to show you guys what it looks like curly as well. So I have my Remington flat iron and I just want to add some curls to show you guys a contrast of the straight and curly. Alright, so I got both side by side, straight and curly. Which one do you guys like more? So I just wanted to give one last shout out to Amazing Beauty Hair because they did the damn thing. I've had these clip-ins for about 6 months and they've been so patient with me to get this content out. And I have to say, this is some of the best hair I've ever worn, and I get non-stop compliments and it just looks so natural. If this looks familiar to you, that's because I have worked with them in the past, and I did a review on these clip-ins here, which are like a coarser Yaki. If you guys want to see those, I will have the video to this in the description box below. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.